This is a final video to fix the dimmed lock screen wallpaper bug on Pixel after the Android 14 update. Are you tired of your lock screen looking darker than it should? This happens because Android 14 changes the way your Pixel handles wallpaper brightness, making it appear dim even when your settings are correct. Many solutions you find online are long, confusing, or require complicated steps that waste your time. But today on Rexist, I'll show you a simple trick that fixes this in seconds. All you need to do is adjust a hidden wallpaper brightness, setting that most guides ignore, and your lock screen will look bright and normal again. It works instantly, and you don't need to install extra apps or reset your phone. If you want to make a full step-by-step tutorial showing exactly how to do this, comment below and I'll guide you through every step.